good night and come back with me, Aida. This is my vlog for night. Let's talk again with me about randomly all of topic. This is me and I just sit on the table. Wow, I just I just sit on table because I feel like so comfortable on the table, right? But I don't want to spill my table. And what about this topic for tonight? I'm so very confused. Like before, yeah. I think I want talk about. I don't know. I'm so confused again. What about this topic for tonight? Are you have idea, guys? Please tell me the one topic of this night. Let me think. Maybe about my favorite, like Marvel, right? You know Marvel. Yeah, since just I really like to watch movie like Marvel, like Transformer. I just remember some of as they some of them, yes, like Bumblebee. Bumblebee is like a rabbit, yellow rabbit. The color of the color of Bumblebee is yellow, and I have I remember. No, no. I think also, but I'm not remember. I'm so forget. I just remember one Bumblebee, the one of yellow color. And I really remember when I was watch zombies. And what is my movie? Yes, I like a movie for a horror movie or zombies. And I like yes, I'm really forget. Yes, I'm really like this. Yes, I don't know. And when I was child, I really like to watch Barbie. Yes, Barbie. What about you guys? See, what is your favorite movie? But no, I'm not. I'm never watch game. Maybe I'm so busy, so I don't have a time for watching long movies like this. Actually, this is my grandfather room. Oh, sorry, I'm not well. Yes, well, my allergic is already coming again. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. And this is actually my grandfather room, but his was gone. He's really like to tell me about story. Okay, out of topic. This is my room of my grandfather, and I'm remembering for his really like to tell me of many um story about local tradition. No, local story, but fixie like Disney's. Um, he's tell me story about just like Lombok story. Um, I really like to listen when he's already tell me story, and when I want go to sleep, she's really like to tell me and make me like also like sleepy. He's really soft spoken. I'm really like to uh I'm really like his always give me um his arm and kiss. Yeah, I feel like so comfortable with his side. That's why I feel like so really lose his when I was his die. And I'm really like so very sad when I was lost my grandfather, because I think my grandfather is my father, is my dad. It's like my dad. It's not my. It's not just my grandfather. We really have chemistry. It's really perfect chemistry. Um, and his way. No, I don't have any. My grandfather. My two grandfathers was died. I don't have any grandfather again, guys. I miss my grandfather. I really miss. What the hell? I feel like so really miss again after I make this topic. The one of um soft boy, I find all of my grandfather. Oh my gosh, I feel like so love him so much. Too, my grandfather love him so much. I'm really hope find someone like my grandfather, so soft spoken in the future. I hope this, because I don't really like high sound from boys, like what I really hate this. That's why I feel like so fast to crying when I hear high sound, when my dad going to um angry me. I feel like so really fast for crying in my room. I feel like so really, really had this. I don't know. I just wanna say I had this character. I had his character. Yes, to be honest, I really had his character. Sorry, I'm like this is big for my personal problem, but I just wanted to tell you about my feeling for today. Just this is my random story or my random vlog because I'm so bored here and I'm just so confused here. I just confused for what everything in here, and I just want to tell you guys, and you are my list and my um listener, good listener. Yes, you are so good listener, guys. I'm so thankful for you. Um, maybe later I wanna drink coffee for healing. Yes, I feel like when I was drink coffee, it's like healing from my stress, from my so many excitement. I'm doing this for enjoy my night, but I'm so fast for sleep. Even I just drink coffee, but I'm not like everyone. It's like so really hard for sleep after drink coffee. I'm not like that, guys. I'm so fast for sleeping. Even I just drink coffee. Mm. So I'm so very lucky for myself because I'm not like that. So I can drink coffee everywhere, every I need, every I want. Yeah. But not, I'm not drink coffee for every day. Yes, just enough. It's little. Yeah, I know this. Oh, really. And this is this is the one I want. What the hell? Look at this. I'm so very long for this vlogging. Yes. Thank you guys. Thank you for listening my story for this night. I like so. I'm happy you are this good listener. I just repeat my talk, my topic, but this is my the most for learn English, speak English. Oh gosh, are you guys like my blog? Ah, tomorrow I'm really busy for. Oh, I have meeting with under university. Yes, I don't know the name of this university, but this is my first time, yeah, guys, at fall semester. That's why I feel like so really excited to going. I feel like I just stuck on eighth grade on on junior high school. I feel like this. Wow, my video today it's very long and I forget this is My time is over. Okay, I just want to say thank you and stay for watching my video. Okay, bye bye. Waiting my next video and goodbye.